Alden third update. And abangan si Alden sa St. John College for 75 anniversary kung saan special guest siya sa February 12 yan, 6 p.m. Yan, save the date. Saka ito pa, nasa post ng BP Choice Award kung saan si Alden isa sa mga pagpipilian bilang Male Sexiest of the Year. Yun, no? Boto na. Sa IG story ni Daddy Bay. Yan sa McDo ni Aden, yung pangarap ng simbahan yung McDo niya sa Santa Rosa, bayan sa Laguna. Yan, ito sa Pilila, Rizal. Yan si Aden at Father Jeff. Yan, nagpa-blessing si Aden dyan ng kotse niya.
Alden Richards, who's also
Yan,
always
na-mention pa
on
si
level
Alden.
Valorant.
Yan, babalorant daw si Alden.
I'm a rich child.
Exactly. So it's nice that we're a little bit more
Yan,
open
gamer.
about, you know.
And people actually are encouraging their kids also to get into these kinds of hobbies.
So ito yung mga endorsement ni Alden. White Flower at yan, Alpha Pro. Yun, wala pa ng endorser. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard doing Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.